So you guys know that I love bringing cash cow channel examples to you. So this is another one, guys. They're in the tech niche and they're making between $2,000 and $31,000 per month, guys. And I'm guessing that it's on the higher end because tech CPM is really, really high. They have 6 million views in the last 30 days and this channel is making a killing. So this is them right here. You can see that they make videos about tech.
You're about to record your first album? There's something for that too. Looking for the multi-toolist.
And they are super smart as well because what they're doing is they're just making 15 coolest gadgets for men, 16 coolest gadgets, 13 coolest gadgets. So they just compile a bunch of gadgets into one video and make one video out of that. So they started this channel in 2019, guys. This is one of the craziest examples that I've seen, and they have 34 million views, and they treat this like a business because their videos are super clean and very professional looking, but it's not that hard to make. As I always say, you can go to Fiverr and get someone to make them for you. Make sure to smash that subscribe button for more videos just like this.